Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. Welcome to my live stream. Today, we're actually going to talk about, is it true, guys? Is it true that this is the Bitcoin bottom? Okay. And we're going to look at some charts and we're going to answer some questions. So thanks a lot for tuning in. I appreciate you guys coming through. This is actually my second live stream, or I think third live stream today. So we will definitely see if you guys get these notifications right now. I didn't get mine, so hopefully you guys got yours. Hope you guys come in soon. But in the meantime, if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. If you don't know who I am a professional trader. I actually day trade Monday through Friday, swing trade cryptos, and basically I only look at the charts because the charts pretty much are the facts. All right, and that's how I make my money full time. All right, so if you guys have any questions or want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to look at some charts. I'm waiting for you guys to come through because I want to see if, hey, what's going on, Edward? Okay, so I want to see if I'm getting these notifications right now. I didn't get one. Hopefully it will come through soon. So what I'm gonna do right now is just go to CoinMarketCap. Let's see what's going on. Actually, let me give you guys a round of applause. And let me turn down the volume a little bit on that. All right, so CoinMarketCap, the volume is up 14 billion. Okay, and that's good. I don't know if this is real volume or not, but that volume is real good. Really nothing percentage wise is going on today. So just waiting for some type of move. We had a big move not too long ago, so you can't really expect another big move yet. The market cap is actually at 179. Let's see, did we hit the 200 billion mark? Let's see, because that's they could be trying to target that 200. Let me see, we hit the 184, so that's probably the peak, right? 184. All right, so we'll see if we can get to the 190s. All right, but that's what's going on right now. Let's see if I see your guys coming in. I thought I popped out the chat. So Edward, you got a notification? Edward, let me ask you a question. Did you get a notification from YouTube, or did you get it from the Discord? Because I didn't get no notification at all. I'm quite sure no one, somebody else. Let me see how many people's in watching. So we got 6 people watching. So YouTube is basically not sending out notifications. Okay, which is not, which is of course not surprising, I guess, because I did a live stream earlier. But let's go over these charts. Yeah, you got it from the Discord. Exactly. All right. Kind of figured that, because right now I didn't get I didn't get a notification at all. Period. All right. So what I'm looking at right now, guys, is basically most likely it's going to be a quick live stream. I'm looking for one more push up. Okay, the level that I'm looking at. All right, it could most likely probably hit 54, 55. Okay, or we just push up one more time to 50. Yeah, right around like maybe 53ish, because go to the 4-hour. You could tell that we all losing steam. This definitely looks like we're losing steam from this up move. Okay, so but it does look like we want to pop up one more time, and then eventually we're going to have to find some type of resistance on these charts. All right, the resistance could be 56, around that area, 56, 53-ish. All right, so around this area right here. All right, because I'm looking at that swing high right there. This swing high, I'm looking at that. So around this area, we can find some type of resistance. We'll see. But right now, the way it's going up, it looks, you know, like it's tired. Mark G, did you get a notification, or did you get a notification? Because I'm trying to figure out. Right now, YouTube is acting. I only got 10 people watching. YouTube is hating right now. Suspect. But I'm gonna definitely get to you guys' questions. If you guys have any questions, type it in. I'm definitely gonna get to you guys' questions. This is probably gonna be a quick live stream. So shout out to everybody that's here. I appreciate it. Let's see here. All right. So let's go to these other charts real quick. Litecoin is still at resistance. We might get one more pop up, but we definitely have resistance. Tron TRX. Nice. Tron TRX popped out the resistance that we have right here. So let's see how far Tron can go. All right. Can it go right back to this high again? Possibility. Okay. Ethereum. So basically, Ethereum look like it's setting up for probably one more move. Okay, and you know, we'll see. Because right now things definitely look weak. Things look weak when it comes to this move up right here. This move right here doesn't look strong. So I'm definitely expecting a pullback soon, but you know, there's a possibility we get maybe one more push up. All right, now if we don't get one more push up, most likely we're gonna pull back. Now if we pull back, is it gonna be a crazy pullback? Yeah, it could be. Okay, most likely it's not gonna be. I don't know if it's gonna be this month though. You know, I don't know if it's gonna be this month. They might not do it this month. They might do it next month. We'll see. Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, Bitcoin Cash probably got one more up move. We'll see. Someone asked me about XRP. What you said? You didn't get. Yeah, man. YouTube is you know, YouTube is YouTube. You know, but anyway, it doesn't matter. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you basically just found my channel, hit that subscribe button, because over here I just basically look at the charts, show you guys what's going on. I pretty much have 11 years of experience, so I just give you guys that. So Mark G said, will XRP increase in value this month? Well, it's very hard to, you know, it's very hard to say if it's going to increase this month or not. We do have resistance right here. Okay, we talked about this multiple times. We have this channel right here that is fighting. Okay, so XRP just has to basically get out of the channel. You see the channel that is in right now is reacting nicely to the channel. So XRP has to get out of the channel to, you know, see some decent moves. All right, so we have to do something like you know, a break up, maybe find support right here, go up one more time, you know, something like that. That's if the market wants to move up. Now if XRP, honestly, if XRP goes right back to the back of this channel right here, that's really not a good sign, because now you basically going back and forth in the channel, and pretty much the major move is to the downside. And every time, you know, we bounce back and forth like this and we go near the bottom of the channel, there's a strong possibility we can break that channel and continue to go back down. So you want XRP to basically stay above and finally break out. Will it happen this month? It's hard to say, okay, but we do have resistance right here, so keep that in mind. So if you guys have questions, let me know. Like I said, this is what I'm looking at right now, and really the charts is really saying that it probably wants to go up one more time. The sellers, you can tell the sellers, when they try to come in, it's not enough. Okay, just every time the sellers come in, they buy it right back up. So at the same time, when I see something like that, most likely they're trying to go up one more time, and then we will see probably sellers. All right. Now the question is, when the sellers come in, is it going to fall back of the channel right here, find support, and go up like that, or is it just going to go straight down from this breakout, okay, and go up? Now I'm gonna tell you what is pretty much to the bullish side. All right, what is more bullish? The better version would be Bitcoin pulling back to this channel right here and finding support and going up. The other one, this is actually not really too bullish, because basically this big move up right here is getting wiped out by a pullback, which is not bullish. Okay, now we got to go all the way back up. I'm not saying that we can't, but it's gonna take a lot of energy just to go right back up. So it's probably best for Bitcoin to not pull all the way back to these lows where we popped up at. If we do, I don't like that sign. All right. So the less we pull back, in my opinion, the better it is. All right. But at the same time, the question of the day is this the Bitcoin bottom? That's the question of the day. Is this the Bitcoin bottom? What's going on, guys? Right? Is this the Bitcoin bottom, guys? And because I'm hearing this, a lot of people, especially crypto YouTubers, thinking that this is the bottom. This is finally the bottom. We can relax. We just gotta wait, hold on, accumulate more. Okay. I don't like that. I don't like that energy. And I mean, at the same time, you have to expect that from people that don't know how the market works and don't understand, how to read the charts. So you have to expect guys like that, especially if you went all in, to say, yeah, this is the bottom. Okay. But when you say things like this is the bottom, we finally made it, basically what you're saying is, you know the future, you control the future, you control the market, and you know what's going to happen. And we all know that no one knows the bottom, no one knows the future. Okay, we just got to take things day by day. So don't get too happy. Play this day by day. That's the best thing to do, and just wait it out, because in my opinion, the best way to make money from the crypto markets is just trading it, especially right now. Okay, the market really is not, most likely, is not going to go anywhere this whole year. Probably going to just swing around. Even if we go down, okay, let's say we decide to go down, All depends if it's a sharp down move. Okay, we can, let's say that we go down and break these lows. This could take another, all right, we talking about break, all right, another 3 to 4 months. Okay, just to break down, chop around probably some more, break up a little bit, break right back down, break, you know what I'm saying? So that could take another 4 months, okay, to do something like this and, you know, mess up your dreams. So we have to play this day by day. It's the best thing to do. I see a lot of people saying this is it, which is weird. But like I said, you have to expect that from people that don't do this full time. These guys are just, you know, the same guys that pretty much bought at the high. So they're going to believe everything. What's going on, man? Sean, Edward, James. All right. Thanks a lot, guys, for coming in. Like I said before, right now I got 21 people in. I don't know what's going on with YouTube. I didn't even get a notification. All right. I still didn't get a notification. Let me see here. Yeah, I still didn't get a notification on my phone. So, oh, matter of fact, I got one, but it is show. Oh well, I'm here. So, so yeah, you know, you have to expect those guys to believe anything, all right? So I don't want you guys to think that this is the bottom. To me, you know, I believe that it's a strong possibility we have another leg down. Okay, this breakout right here looks almost too good to be true type of breakout, and most likely looks like a short squeeze just for that last push up, just to go right back down. Okay. So be careful, because I'm looking at the chart right now, and I'm looking at how it's going up right now. If you look at the up move, it's kind of weird, right? It's kind of weird. You know, it's just, it doesn't look good, right? Also, guys, if you have any questions, type it in. So people was talking about the CME group, right? How the volume basically went up in the CME group. Honestly, guys, I told you guys before, volume, right? You guys, you really have to understand, volume doesn't mean that people are actually buying if the market is going up. A lot of times when you see volume and the market is going up, that actually means that the people, there are people out here that's looking to sell, all right? They just doing that last minute buying so they can start selling, all right? So just because you see a lot of buying and a lot of volume coming in doesn't mean, okay, that that volume is bullish, all right? Honestly, I would like to see volume probably around here when we was, you know, going slow. But we saw volume off this last push, which is not good, especially this long bar right here. That's not really good. You don't really want to see that much volume. So people was talking about the CME group, how they was basically had the most volume. And I'm gonna show you something right here. I'm gonna show you something right now. Let's go to the futures CME, right? Bitcoin. Now you see the volume on a Bitcoin chart, how it's pretty much, you know, a lot of volume right here. Now I'm gonna show you something right here, right? This is the Bitcoin futures, blah blah blah. We had back in you know, 2018, okay, they had the most volume, okay, the most volume on July 18, okay. Now notice that July 18 was what, guys? The last high before we made that crazy dump, all right? Now we have another crazy volume right here, okay? So a lot of times when you see volume, to the upside, that actually means selling. Okay, I know it sounds weird, it's counterintuitive, but that's what it is. Okay, they just doing that last little push up just to go right back down. So you have to be careful. Just because you see volume to the upside doesn't mean actually, these guys are actually buying. A lot of times it just means that last push up just to sell off. So be careful. This could be another situation like like this back in 2018, right? So just letting you guys know that, like I said, most people in the crypto in the market, honestly, they're getting too amped, too cocky, But like I said, it is what it is. We need those guys in order to make money, right? And guys, if you have any questions, type it in, right? If you have any questions, type it in. Shout out to everybody that's here. Let me give you guys another round of applause. Right now, YouTube is hating. They definitely not sending out notifications to my subscribers right now. Maybe because I went live earlier, which is okay. It is what it is. But that's what I'm looking at, guys. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, man. Especially if you want to get a professional view, or how, just to see how a professional look at, just look at the market. Definitely hit that subscribe button, because I'm gonna just give you guys the the hardcore truth. I don't really care about if you agree or not, because most of you guys are still learning. So I'm trying to help you guys out the same way I helped you guys back in 2018 when everybody was telling you to buy the dips. This is it. This is the bottom. Okay, the same energy that we have right now, we had right here back in 2018. People saying no way Bitcoin can go below 6,000, blah blah blah. Right now people think this is the bottom. I see people buying like crazy and just getting happy. So we just gotta wait it out day by day, guys. All right. Let's see if I see any questions. If not, like I said, we can end this live stream early. Bill Jose, I don't know what's going on. What's going on, JA? All right. Shout out to JA. And anybody that didn't see, I actually traded live, guys. I actually traded live today. Okay, I had a live stream earlier today. And I traded live in front of, the subscribers. And basically, if you didn't see that, just check out the last video that I made. All right, pretty much made 2K in front of you guys live on a live stream. So check that out, okay? And if you want to basically understand how I did that, okay, just check out my course. And if you want to understand how to capitalize on just the crypto market or any other markets, check out my course. I have this course right here. It's my new course right here. It comes with the crypto course, right? The crypto course will show you how to basically capitalize on a bull market and a bear market, right? Swing trading. And this comes with pretty much the day trading course. What I was doing today, I was live streaming day trading the S&P 500. Okay, I made $2,000 on a live stream, and it comes with the same strategies. So if you want to learn more about that, check out that link. Here's the link right here. What's going on? Who flew, man? What's going on? Who flung, man? Shout out to you. Check that out. Here's the link right here. If you guys have any questions with that, let me know. Basically, that will help you out with pretty much with your swing trading and your day trading. Okay, even if you have the crypto course already, check out this course, because it comes with another swing trading course that will help you understand the market a little bit better, make more money, and just understand how to just capitalize on the market. Right now, we definitely look like we're topping out. We might just get one more push, okay? Or we can just say, you know what? I'm tired. We're going to sell right now, right? So just be careful. I think a lot of people are going to get caught right here because probably a lot of people think this is probably going to be another flag, okay? Which it could be. But, you know, why would you want to buy at the high, all right? That's how a lot of people get caught. You're buying at the top. I wouldn't be buying at the top, okay? So be careful around these areas. These definitely are, you know, sensitive areas where anything can happen. I mean, like anything, you know. Next thing you know, we wake up. Oh my gosh, I can't believe, you know, I can't believe what's going on. So just be careful, all right. It's a possibility that they can actually keep this up for the whole month. Let's look at the monthly bar. Let me go to another one chart. Let's look at the monthly bar. So yeah, there's a possibility that they can keep this bar, you know, up for the month. So we probably won't, you know, it's a possibility we probably won't see any selling until the end of the month. Now, if we do see selling before the end of the month, then in my opinion, that's not good. But now, like I said, we'll see. We will see. But, you know, overall, people think that, you know, this is it. They looking at, let me show you the chart. Let me see if I can get it. They looking at the, you know, they looking at the last bull market, right? They're looking at the last bear market. And hold on. Why? I'm trying to get. Hold on, guys. Yeah, so they're looking at the last bull market and pretty much, you know, they basically saying that everything is matching up. It doesn't have to match up exactly the same, okay? We don't have to match up exactly the same. This could be something totally different. Right now, it might look like it's the same, but it could be totally something, you know, something totally different. The thing about the market, it could shift at any moment, right? So right now, yeah, it looks the same or similar, and then next day, boom, okay, it just switched, and now it doesn't look the same. So just be careful. JDM said BTC will go to 6K before crash. Watch. You know, it's a possibility you could go to 6K. You don't have to. You don't have to. You said XRP will pop up this month. Man, you saying some strong words now, man. You saying some strong words. You know. But like I said, it don't have to go to 6K. It could go to 6K, but it don't have to. But guys, that's about it. I'm gonna end this live stream. Hope you guys have a great day. Shout out to everybody that's here. I appreciate you guys. What's going on, Trinity? What's going on, man? Yeah, most likely we're gonna have another, you know, sell off. Okay, most likely we're gonna have another sell off. Just gotta wait. You know, too many people are happy right now. They forgot that, number one, you know, the sellers are, you know, ruthless and they don't care. I think they forgot how the bear market, you know, how the big bear market and, you know, how the sellers are just crazy when it comes to selling. They will make you, you know, shake and scared. So I think a lot of people just got used to this up move, and now they feel cocky, right? But it is what it is. Thanks a lot, guys, for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. Hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. And, you know, I hope you guys just basically, you know, take advantage of education and get yourself just more knowledge so you can understand these markets and make more money. That's the name of the game. And if you have any questions, you can email me. Improve, practice, improve, practice, improve, practice, guys. That's the name of the game. Talk to you guys later. All right. Oh, what's going on, Beamer? Very hard to read the charts. What's very hard to read the charts? You said very hard to read the charts. Tell me what's so hard about the charts. Let me know. What is so hard about reading the charts? What's going on, Trinity? You said keep doing your thing, man. Good work. Yeah, thanks a lot. I appreciate it. What's so hard about the charts? I mean, once you can understand how to read the charts, you're talking about ETH. What is so hard to read with ETH? Let me know. What is so hard? What exactly you want to know? Basically, okay, you made we was in this consolidation right here, right? We broke out of this consolidation. We hit the top of it, right? We flagged up right here. We popped up. Okay, this is where you made your most of your money right here, right? Depending on if you was a buyer or a seller, you could have made money right here, right? If you was a buyer, you could have made money off this pullback right here. If you're a buyer again, you could have made money off this pullback right here. Now, we add this high right here, okay? This looks like we can actually try to flag out one more time to go up, okay? Now, if we decide to break this right here, most likely that could be a sell, okay? So you can play this both ways, but you have to understand we've been going up for the longest, all right? So you have to expect some type of pullback. So buying up here, right, it's kind of iffy, okay? So if you buy up here, you got to be very careful, tight stop, blah, blah, blah. This is, you know, you just got to know how to read the market. You said last 24 hours is not clear signal. Well, you know, the market, you have to understand, okay? The market, you know, is going to give you clear signals, right? And then there's going to be some signals that is not clear, okay? But if it's a you know, a nice setup, you know, you just take it, because you can't really I mean, like I said, it all depends on how you read in the market, okay? Most guys don't know how to read the market anyway, right? So you have to learn how to read the market. Okay, I mean, like I said, if you play the market and you made a lot of profit right here, okay, and let's say that you took a loss right here, who cares? Okay, this is why, you know, a lot of people really can't figure this stuff out, because they worrying about losers. I'm not worrying about losers, all right? I'm not worrying about, you know, man, is this thing gonna go up more? Okay, I'm worried about, okay, how can I manage this trade? Okay, so I won't lose that much, even if I, you know, take a loss on this trade. How can I manage it? Okay, because you have to understand this game is all about probabilities, and it's all about you know, capitalizing on winners that's going up, right? So if you was just trading this market, you have money in the bank already, okay, from the trades. Like I said before, you can play this either way, okay? You can play this either way, to the upside or the downside. I know that sounds weird, like, oh my gosh, what do you mean upside? I mean, right now we at the top of this, okay, a lot of resistance, okay? So if this thing falls down, I mean, I, I I wouldn't be surprised if it falls down and you start selling, right? But also wouldn't be surprised if we pop out of this and test this high one more time. Okay, so it's just, you have to understand the market, and you can't be afraid of the market. You have to look at the market in a way where, who cares if you take a trade and you take a loss, right? If you view the market that way, and the reason why you review the market that way is because and like I said before, I'm speaking for myself. I'm not speaking to, about, for anybody else. But for me personally, I know that for the most part, if I take my trades and follow the market, I can be right 70%, sometimes 80% of the time. All right. So, like I said, this, it's all about studying, practicing, get used to the whole process, and that's it. All right. ETH, like I said before, it has that ability to go up or decide to roll over and sell off. Okay. Now, just because it roll over and sell off doesn't mean that would be the top. Okay. Absolute top. It could sell off, right? Give you a quick profit just to shoot right back up. So anyway, shout out to everybody that's here. I appreciate it. I hope you guys have a great night. Magic Johnson steps down on what? What's going on, Golden Arm? He steps down on what? On the team? Oh, really? I gotta check that out. Shout out to Golden Arm, though. Appreciate it. Gotta check that out. You said Magic Johnson stepped out. Redemption said Win Moon. Redemption. That's the wrong question. The question is how to make money now. Okay. When you say Win Moon, that they basically, is saying that you have to wait for some type of special event to make money. And I'm trying to help you guys understand you don't have to wait for some special event to make money. You can make money now, but that's if you want to learn how to make money now. Okay, that's up to you at the end of the day. I can come on here, a million times, and you guys still won't listen to me, okay, because you're waiting for some type of special event. Meanwhile, you got professionals that's making money. Redemption says, so what do you do? I'm a full-time trader, bro. Okay, this is what I do. Redemption, I'm a full-time trader. I've been doing this for 11 years. And I only look at the charts. I don't really care about the fundamentals, the news, anything else, right? You said let them think 3K is really the bottom. It is what it is. Of course they're going to think that 3K is the bottom because everybody, they favor YouTuber thing is the bottom. That's what it is, man. They basically going off of they favor YouTuber. You said you barely made it to the live. Shout out to you, Beamer. I don't know. I'm here right now. I'm about to get off though. But yeah, I mean, guys, you have to be careful because we could get another drop. Okay. But most likely, we have a nice little monthly bar on a Bitcoin chart. So that drop might not come this month. It might come next month. Okay. So we might still have people talking crazy. Crypto YouTuber or crypto tuber, couple more weeks of green confirms a bull trend moving forward. Could change. Yeah, man, what's going on, crypto slice of the life? Crypto tuber said a couple more weeks. If you believe that, man, shout out to you. But a couple more weeks doesn't prove anything. It doesn't confirm anything. Yeah, you can watch the replay. Definitely can watch that replay. All right, so this is exactly what I'm talking about. Some people think, what's going on, Crypto Dread? Some people think that the 4-year cycle is in. I think I heard some guy today talking about the 4-year cycle. It's complete or something like that. Getting a lot of people hopes up. Man, these guys is gullible. But I mean, honestly, guys, if I really want to be that guy on YouTube, I would say something crazy. All right. To make you guys believe anything, because it's amazing how people nowadays believe everything. It's amazing. Okay. Moon tricks, yeah, man. A lot of people on that moon tricks. A lot of people high off that moon tricks, man. Great to see you again here, Big Ben. Yeah, man. Shout out to you, bro. Crypto Slice of Life. All right. Yeah, man. Like I said, man. I mean, honestly, I can easily. If I was really sick in the head. And honestly, I don't think most YouTubers are looking to take advantage of their subscribers. I think some YouTubers actually believe what they are saying, right? Now you do probably have some sick YouTubers that don't believe what they're saying, and they're trying to take advantage of their subscribers. But I think for the most part, the crypto YouTubers are sincere, and they actually believe the things that's coming out their mouth. Okay, but at the same time, you have to ask yourself, okay, let's look at these guys' performance. And if you look at these guys' performance, you will see these guys are broke when it comes to crypto, the crypto market. When it comes to the crypto market, these guys are broke because they're down 80%, right? 70%, and they waiting for some type of bull market, right? So if you have that, okay, then you have, the crypto subscribers that subscribe to those broke YouTubers. Okay, so you have a lot of crypto investors that's broke too, because they following broke YouTubers, right? And then you have guys like Crypto Tuber, right, that came in and he just left. He said that a couple more weeks, green confirms a bull trend moving forward. Okay, you have guys like that. People will believe, okay, and then they will throw their life savings, and then next thing you know, boom, we can crash again. This is why I tell you guys, take it day by day, right? That's how you do it, guys. That's how you do it, man. I'm telling you right now, bro. I've been doing this for too long to let you guys understand. You got to take it day by day, man. You can't get hyped. You can't, let these guys trick you. Just take it day by day. Let Bitcoin basically give you confirmation that it wants to go up. Right now, it's not giving us confirmation. Okay, number one, we're still on the downside. Number two, okay, we hit that trend line right now. We still pretty much in that trend line area. Okay, number three, okay, we haven't really pulled back and hold the pullback, and continue to go back up. So we're just waiting for more confirmation, right? It's just what it is. Let me see here. I'm about to get out of here though. Crypto Tuber said, I'm still here. I'm not a moon boy. I think a lot of alts will go to zero, but the ones that will survive will. So let me ask you a question, Crypto Tuber. All right. If you think the alts will go to zero, okay, how do you expect alts to go to zero and we have a bull market? So basically what I'm trying to say is, if the market goes up and continue to go up, these altcoins will go up too. All right? It's just how it works. It doesn't matter if these altcoins are bad or not. If we have a bull market right now, as we speak, the bull market starts right now, these coins survive. These coins do not die. They made it. All right? So, in order for these coins to die, Bitcoin has to die too, right? And when I mean Bitcoin dying, I'm not talking about Bitcoin going to zero. I'm just talking about Bitcoin has to keep on going down. There's no other way, all right? Some people swear up and down, we just going to see some type of crazy action, like something like some craziness like this. He was gonna shoot up to the moon, guys. Right? Let Bitcoin show us that it wants to do that. I have no problem buying Bitcoin if it shows me it wants to go up. So many people are waiting for the bottom. That's why they are in the problem. That's why they are in trouble right now, because they pretty much took all their life savings and dumped it, and they kept buying a dip when we was at 10,000, 11,000, 10,000, 9,000, 8,000, 7,000, 6,000, 4,000, 5,000. Okay, 3,000. Now they hoping. You know what? You said in one of your videos, a lot of technical analysis YouTubers were holding and lost their money in 2017. Now they are suckering more people in the fun project. Oh man, like I said, you got some YouTubers, man, that they know. They pushing these ICOs, or what company they pushing. They know these companies are trash. Guys, anybody here, what do you guys think about that Hex project? Anybody on his live stream heard about that Hex project? What you guys think about it? I forgot that guy's name. I never really heard anybody talk about that project yet. Let me see here. Let me go. Crypto YouTuber going to Rex City. I don't think we're going below 3K. Shout out to Golden On, man. Golden On gave me $5 super chat. He said, "What's happening to the guy that sold his house for Bitcoin?" The guy that sold his house for Bitcoin, guys, he's suffering right now. Suffering. Unless he got some donations. He probably got some donations. Maybe he's doing okay, but right now, his money is not really doing good. Yo, shout out to Golden On for giving me that super chat. I appreciate it. So Crypto Tuber said, I don't think we are going below 3K. Shout out to you, man. I think it's a strong possibility we could go below 3K. Just because most people are thinking the same way you're thinking. Okay, they think that. So basically, if you say that you don't think we're going down below 3K, you're pretty much saying this is the bottom, and that's what pretty much everybody's thinking right now. I'm saying, this looks like a short squeeze. We might find resistance somewhere, and then we might head right back down. Okay. Until Bitcoin shows me it wants to go up. Wherever it goes, you're gonna take profits, man. Shout out to you, bro. That's what you gotta do, man. You gotta take profits, man. That's the name of the game, bro. Name of the game, take profits. You said you don't have your life savings. Yeah, I hear you, man. Shout out to you, Crypto Tuber. Let me see here. JDM said Bitcoin to 6K, then 1,800. Hey, man, that's possible. Yeah, I mean, this looks kind of suspect, man. I'm telling you right now, this up move right here looks suspect. I'm definitely expecting some type of valiant drop. When, I don't know. It could be next month, Yeah, man. But shout out to Golden On giving me that super chat, man. I appreciate it. Like I said before, I think YouTube didn't really send out their notifications, right? Yeah, this could be a nice little bull trap, definitely, right? And honestly, guys, every pullback in the bear market to me is a bull trap until it proves it's not a bull trap, all right? That's why I can't really say this is the bottom. It's not giving me, crazy confirmation. It's just a pullback. It's just what it is. It's just a breakout to the upside that could easily, get ugly. I mean, this could turn ugly, right? If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you don't know who I am, I'm a professional trader. So if you want to learn more about that, check out the course that I have. Okay, it's for you guys that want to learn more about the crypto market and how to take advantage of the crypto market, the bulls, the bullish market and the bear market. Check out the crypto course. All right, you check out this course. It comes with the crypto course right here. And it comes with a day trading course with day trading futures, day trading Forex, okay? So if you have a small account right now and you trying to learn how to grow your small account, this course is for you. I did it over to make you guys, for you guys that have a small account. Here's a link right here for you guys that have a small account to actually play with the big boys and understand the game, so you can grow your small account. And if you have a decent sized account, this course is for you too. I will show you how I make 1K to 5K a day. Actually, I did a live stream today. Anybody that missed that live stream, go check out my last video. Okay, I did a live stream earlier today. I traded live in front of my subscribers, and I made 2K. So basically, I'm trying to show you guys this is real. Most of you guys think it's a game. You going to work every single day. You're not really trying to study. You think that this is the bull market and we're just going to shoot up, and you think you are okay. You don't need to study. You don't need to learn how the market works. Well, I'm here to tell you that, first of all, okay, if you just a guy that's trying to make money just by buying the cryptocurrencies, first of all, you're missing out, because you can actually make more money if you understand how how the market moves, and understand how to basically make more. You can make more money from the bull market, okay, by being active. Okay, most of you guys are just sitting back and trying to look for gains. That's okay, but I'm thinking the next bull market, if we do have one, it's not going to be as easy. Okay, it's going to be rough. Okay, so it's going to be probably something like, we go up, chop around for a long time. Actually, you might drop one more time, go up. Okay, so it might be a rough bull market. Okay, where we might be in a bear market for another 2-3 years. Finally get out the bear market, chop around, go up slowly, go right back down, go up again. So it might not look pretty. Okay, and I'm here to tell you, you guys are here waiting, and you might be waiting for a long time. Then you got guys like me and other people that know how to extract money from the market. We just sitting back here and shaking our head and saying, what are you doing? Why are you not taking advantage of this? Right? So some of you guys have to learn. I guess you're gonna have to learn the hard way. I don't know what else I can do. Okay, I tried so many times to show you guys what's possible. Some of you guys still won't take advantage, and the whole part is most people don't understand. Some of you guys think I'm gonna be on YouTube forever. And some of you guys think this is going to be available forever. I can end this at any moment. I'm trying to help you guys out. I actually made a payment plan for you guys, especially for you guys that's have small account. Trying to make it easy for you guys. So, like I said, you see me making money. So at the end of the day, I'm good. At the end of the day, I'm trying to help you guys out. If you don't want to take advantage, I'm cool. Right? But at the same time, you have to learn how to read the charts. I don't care where you learn your information from. Learn how to read the charts, because if you don't, then you're going to be that guy that's saying, this is the bottom. We're never going below 3K. Okay? And you don't know that. Okay? Put it like this. Let me ask you a question. What happens if we go below 3K? Are you prepared for that? Okay, or you're going to be that guy that say, oh my gosh, I can't believe this. We are down. We are below 3K. Okay, I'm not going to be that guy that's saying, oh my gosh, we below 3K. I'm going to say, okay, and I expect this move, because we still in the bear market. We're still in the downtrend. Bitcoin never gave us confirmation, right? So every time the market rallies, I expect the market to pull back and continue to go down, okay? And not only I expect that, I can actually make money from that. So you see the difference, okay? The difference between me, my language, and someone else that's trying to tell you that this is the bottom. Bro, I don't care about being right, okay? I care about making money from the markets, right? That's all I care about. I'm not trying to sound smart and say, hey man, this is the bottom. Okay, this is the 4-year cycle. Blah blah blah. Guys, we did it. We finally did it. You know, I hear a YouTuber. I remember a YouTuber said that what he said. He said that. Hold on, let me see. I forgot exactly what he said, man. He said that the guy's going to benefit from, you know, this whole. I forgot exactly what he said, but it was just basically he said people are going to make sick gains from this bull market, all right? And the way he was talking, like it was 100% guaranteed. Okay, and this is what I'm trying to explain to you guys. The bull market is not 100% guaranteed. Like it or not, guys. Like it or not. The bull market is not 100% guaranteed. I remember back in the summer, crazy. Yeah. Ben, do you think it's going to take more than 14 months to get above 6K? Well, basically, we at 6K right now, okay? So we can get to 6K. That's not the problem. The problem is, can we stay above 6K? Can we hold those gains, all right? Is it going to take 14 months? It could take more than that. That's what I'm trying to explain to you guys, all right? I'm not saying that to be negative or trying to scare you guys. I'm saying it because it's reality, okay? It could actually look at Bitcoin. See, most people want to go to Bitcoin, right, and compare last bear market to this bear market, and they trying to say this is the same. But if you really go back to Bitcoin charts and study Bitcoin charts, if you really study Bitcoin charts, not listen to these crazy YouTubers, study the charts on your own. Forget about what these YouTubers are saying, because most of the YouTubers is trying to compare 2014, bear market with this bear market. Forget about them. Okay, go do research yourself. Right, you will see every single time Bitcoin crashed, right, and it went all the way back to the top. Right, back to the highs. You would notice. Okay, you will notice every single time it did that. Every single time we crash, it took longer. Okay, so the first crash probably took around what? I don't know, less than a year. Second crash took, I forgot how many crashes we had. Probably took a year. Next crash probably took a year and a half. Another crash took around 3 years and a half. Okay, now this crash is actually we went up much higher than the other crashes. So just going by Bitcoin history, every single time we crash and we try to go back to the high, it's longer. We're taking longer every single time. Okay, so that's basically saying that the last time we crashed and we went right back to the high, it took like around 3 years and a half, right? 4 years. So you basically, based on Bitcoin history, okay, if it last time it took 3 years and a half, around 4 years, it could take 5 years, 6, 7 years to go right back to the high. Okay, so that's why you really have to understand what you're looking at. Some people don't want to hear that. Some people don't want to believe it. I don't care what you believe. I don't care, what you think. It's not about what you think or what I think. It's a strong possibility it can happen, and it's about, if it does happen, what are you going to do about it? So, because with most people, they come at me, right, and their argument would be, you're crazy, that will never happen. That's their argument, right? Don't you hear, the difference between me and them? They would say, you're crazy, man. What are you talking about? That will never happen. And I'm saying, you're saying that it will never happen. That means that you control the market. I'm saying, hey, man, what if it does happen? What are you going to do about it? Because I'm going to be okay if it does happen. You know, if the market decides to be in a bear market for 5, 6, 7 years, I'm not going to cry about that. Why? Because I know how to make money from the bear market. You the one that's going to be crying. That's why you're saying it would never do that. You can't never say it would never do that in a market that you don't control. Okay, you don't control this market. You don't have no control of this market, right? So for you to say it will never happen, I can tell that you have no financial education, because you're basically saying things like, you know, that will never happen, and you have no control. That doesn't make any sense at all. The same way people said Bitcoin would never go below 6,000 because of the miners, blah blah blah. Bro, you don't control this market, man. Stop talking like that. Okay? You always have to be prepared, guys. You always have to be prepared for the worst. Okay? This is why most people are not professionals. Okay? This is why most people cannot do this full time. Okay? Because they are not prepared for the worst. They cannot make money when we are in a recession, when things go bad. They can't make money, guys. Don't you get it? The average Joe, the only way an average Joe can make money is when the market is booming. That's it. Why is that? Because they don't have financial education. These guys are good at going to work, coming back home. Going to work, coming back home. That's it. These guys are too lazy to study and gain financial education. So all they have is saying, "Oh, you crazy, man. That would never happen." That's all they have. Okay? And if it does happen, they screwed, because they don't have financial education. They don't have weapons, right? Financial weapons to take advantage when the market goes down. All right? They don't have financial weapons that can actually take advantage, when the market goes down. So, that's the difference between me and these other crypto YouTubers. All right, I don't really care what happens. I'm straight. Okay, I can't really try to go back and forth with you guys. Okay, I show you guys what I do every single day. I show you guys proof. I show you guys live videos. Okay, I actually did a live video today. If you're just joining me, I did a live stream today, trading live. You saw me make 2K right in front of your eyes. But you guys still won't listen to me because you want to listen to your favorite YouTuber that has 300K subscribers, because his beliefs line up with your beliefs, okay? Even though he's down 80%. Even though he's down 80%, the reason why you listen to him, because your beliefs lines up to him with yours. His beliefs lines up to, with your beliefs. Guys, beliefs doesn't put money in your pocket, man. Beliefs are not reality. It's just a belief. It's just what you believe. It's not reality. Okay? You can believe whatever you want. How that's paying your bills? How that's making you money to take vacations and buy the things that you want? It's not. Anyway, guys, I'm about to get out of here. I think I gave you guys that link. You can check that link out. If you have any questions, you can email me. Let me see if I see any more questions before I get out of here. I was supposed to get out of here a long time ago, but shout out to Golden Arm for giving me that super chat. Let me see real quick. The wells and the bots control the market. Exactly. Crypto Tupa said, I love your thoughts. Keep on streaming, man. Shout out to you, man. Appreciate it. Thanks a lot for tuning in, man. I love all my subscribers and all my viewers, man. No hard feelings. I just give you guys tough love and try to help you guys. What's going on, Expose? XRP looks super bearish. Yeah, I mean, I've been talking about XRP for the longest. Right now it's fighting that resistance, that channel. It's fighting it. You know, we'll see. Alrighty, so yeah, man. Yeah, no problem. Crypto slice of life, guys. I appreciate all your time, and I appreciate you guys' time. Let me give you guys a round of applause. What's going on, stay at home, Dad? Let me give you guys a round of applause. You can watch that replay. Anybody that caught it, last minute. Let me give you guys a round of applause. Hope you guys have a great night. I hope you guys just, start to study, understand, life, financial markets, everything. Appreciate it. I'm about to go spend time with my wife. And hope you guys have a great night. Study, practice, improve. Study, practice, improve. Talk to you guys later. And have a great night.